welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info. In front of me is a Google Pixel 10 Pro. In this video I'm going to show you how to share screen on TV. First of all, you need to make sure that both your Pixel 10 Pro and your TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. And now let's open Quick Settings panel by swiping down from the top of your screen twice, like this. And now we need to find Cast Tile. It will look like this, but if you don't see it right here, then tap this pencil icon and find it from your list and simply tap on plus icon in order to add this tile to your quick settings. Okay, let's go back and finally tap Cast Tile. Then let's go to settings, and here you will see a list of all nearby devices that are found by your device, and then simply select your TV from the list. So that is it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If this was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this, and I will see you in the next one.